Nation, what up?
My light on?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. So, man, we back in here on the Chevy. We got everything hooked up for the time being. You know what I'm saying? We got everything hooked up for the time being. I'm still gonna turn the car around. Well, I'm gonna drive it at least to see, you know what I'm saying, what's going on with it as far as the transmission issues and all that. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, man. Y'all know the lingo, man. Please consider subscribing, man. Please consider liking. Please comment, regardless. I want you to comment regardless. Please. Let me know what's going on. Let me know how you got to the channel. If you like the channel, if you don't like the channel, let me know. Hey, man. It's all good. So what we got is, man, I just installed a harness on the Chevy, man. I do have a few issues. I just figured out one. The harness itself, I have a BM module on my car. And the harness itself has, which all harnesses have a malfunction indicator, check engine light. So I figured that being that I had a BM module, I didn't have to hook up the check engine light or whatever and ground it. Well, on this harness, you have to do that. You have to hook up the malfunction light and and you have to ground it through the harness, because if you don't, you're gonna have a check engine light. Also, and I think it's the same issue with my fans. Both of my fans are coming on. And I think that's an issue because I didn't ground them on the harness. I actually ran the fans to the factory fan spot, the factory fan wires that I have on my factory harness, and I think I need to ground them. I think because they're coming on, both of them coming on, both of my fans never ran, like just starting the car up. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna ground those and see what we got. And what else? I think for the most part, I'm done routing everything. Got everything routed. Y'all can see, no more wires out on the floor. Got the glove box out. Got my fuse block. I'm gonna put that in the glove box. Glove box up here. I cut me a little hole so I can lay that wire in there. Wire kind of big. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I gotta go over there and mount my OBD2 port, TCC wires, all that good stuff. What else over there? The speedometer, which I got the BM module, so I really don't have to hook up to the speedometer wire, but I'm gonna probably do it anyway. I'm gonna go in here and look to see where it go, because I got a speedometer wire and I got another wire that I said I was gonna hook up. But I'm gonna do that and I'll be done. So I'm about to put everything back together because I don't need all this stuff to be tore down anymore. Put everything back together and yeah, that'll be it for that, man. Got the new harness in there. Everything is really smooth though. Like the car cranks, runs, no check engine light. Now that I hooked up and grounded that malfunction indicator on the harness. And what else? I think that's it, man. Just routing everything, trying to make everything as clean as possible. Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, man, I'm about to get back to work, and hopefully, man, I'll get to show y'all some more footage, man. Of hopefully I might drive it tomorrow, cause she off work tomorrow, so I might drive it tomorrow, cause she gonna go and get the baby and everything. So I ain't gonna have nothing else to do. So I might just drive it around the block or whatever just to see. I don't even know how much gas in this junk though, so I really don't need to drive it nowhere, because I don't want to put no gas in it, because I gotta turn it around to drop the tank, to take the fuel pump out and put the sending unit back there, man. Yeah, so hopefully then when I do that, my gas hand will be working. So that will be absolutely great if I can get my gas hand working. So yeah, with that being said, like I said, man, I'm finna get back to work. gonna wrap it up, man. It's 9:18. I need to be in the bed, man. Need to clean up all this stuff in here. And yeah, I think that'll do it. I might drive it up to the gas station, put a couple dollars in it. Just put a couple dollars in there just to see what we got. And I really want to drop this tank though. Like I really want to drop this tank, and I don't want to have no gas in it, man. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it run in the garage. When I'm finna drop the tank, I'm gonna let it run in the garage and let it run out of gas. That's what I'm gonna do. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Yep. But anyway, enough of that, man. Let me get back to work. I know I done said that 5 times now, so let me actually show some action now. All right. Nation, what up? Might be back up in here, man. First drive, damn, man. First drive in MayRose, man, since I put the new harness in there. I got a check engine light, so I think Forrest gotta. I think it's gonna be in my tune, so I think my tuner gotta take that check engine light out. I mean everything. I think everything is. I don't know. I'm about to see. But I think everything is like it was. I guess. I'm not aware of any differences in anything. But yeah. So I'm just gonna just the first drive. I'm just gonna drive it to see what's to it. If anything changes up, hopefully. Mike told me that the problem I was having with my transmission was probably because of the harness. He said he done seen that before, so I guess I'm finna see if that's what it is. I ain't gonna drive it long, I ain't gonna drive it far. Just here and probably around the corner or something. Just see. Maybe I got it in. Hold on. It changed when I came out the driveway. I don't know. Let me see. Alright, y'all, so I was as y'all seen, man, I was about to drive the car, man. I was about to drive the car to I ain't even in here, right? Pull this mirror back out so I can see. I was about to drive the car to test it out or whatever, and it's like it stopped shifting. Also, I got a check engine light. So what I did was I went and got my partner scan tool. A little scan tool right here, man. Went and picked that up from my partner real quick, and I scanned the check engine light. What came up was a P0785. And that is the shift timing solenoid or 3-2 shift solenoid circuit. So now I have a solenoid problem. I have a solenoid problem, and that controls the upshifts and the downshifts. So I called my transmission guy. He said that's something easy, I can do it myself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to holler at Mike and see if I can get down there to use the lift And so I can go ahead and knock all this stuff out at once. Those solenoids, and I think the solenoids like, cause the video I just looked at, he was like it could be the solenoids or it can be the harness that's in the transmission. I'ma look and see how complicated it is to change the harness in the transmission. If that ain't complicated, I might just change everything just to be on the safe side, but I don't think it's the harness though. They showed me how to check the continuity in the harness or whatever, so I'm gonna check all that, I'm gonna do all that. But yeah, man, hopefully I can get down there. I'm gonna change out both the solenoids. There's 2 solenoids on there. It's the 1-2 shift and the 1-2 shift and the 3 something like that. They said it was 2 solenoids on there. So, let me see. Look at my phone again. This, what happens, how you check, what is bad, how you set. Where it's located, nope, that ain't it. Man, what did I just look at? That ain't it. Yeah, there's 2 shift solenoids in a 4L60E. A 1-2 shift, a 1-2 and a 2-3. And both control up and down shifts with fluid passing through them when commanded to do so by the computer. However, when they go bad, you will notice quickly, very quickly. And I think I noticed very quickly. So, what we're gonna do is, man, like I said, I'm gonna try to holler at Mike. I'm trying to get them solenoids changed out. And I'm gonna try to go ahead and do this fuel pump, this center unit, all that. I'm gonna try to do all that in one walk. Hopefully I can do that. And yeah, I gotta do what I gotta do, man, cause I need to go ahead and get that done, man. Florida Classic is rapidly approaching. So yeah, that's what we got for right now, man. So MayRose back in the garage. Anyway, I started having a transmission leak anyway, so I need to change. I'm assuming I need to change the transmission, the pan gasket, and I need to put that factory. I need to put that factory transmission dipstick back in there, because that low car one that I got I can't even. That thing don't even read right to me. So yeah, man, I guess it's all kind of working out in my favor, because I need to do that anyway. As far as the dipstick. So yeah, but yeah, man, that's what we got right now, man. So now we looking at the solenoids, man, which they gonna be cheap. It's gonna be cheap. I can get the solenoids and that whole harness for under $200. So, you know what I'm saying? It should be good. It should be good. I'm just trying them out, see what I got. I mean, and roll with it like that. Check everything before I'm gonna check everything before I get too far deep into it. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't gotta take the pan down again. The transmission not burnt up. The fluid good. Ain't no fluid burnt up. I don't smell no burning. None of that. So the transmission, from what I'm understanding when I talk to the transmission guy, the transmission still good. It's just those solenoids. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do, man. I'm gonna change out them solenoids and then see what we got from there. So, man, it's your boy, man. B-Lo Nation, man, aka Mr. Ain't, man. Now, see y'all in the next one, man.